Hello viewer, welcome back to our lecture series on liquid state. In our previous lecture, we talked about structure of liquids, structural differences between liquid, solid and gases, radial distribution function, etc. And today's lecture, we are going to talk on new phase of matter, that is liquid crystal phase, structure of liquid crystal, classification and application of liquid crystal, thermography and 7 segment cell. Now, begin with liquid crystal. First of all, what is liquid crystal? As we all know about the 3 state of matter, that is solid phase, liquid phase and gas phase. In solid phase, molecules with both orientation and positional order and are held to each other strongly. In liquid phase, molecules with no orientation and positional order, but are held together by weak intermolecular forces. In gas phase, no ordering, no intermolecular attraction in the molecules of gas. Now, the new phase, we have the new phase, liquid crystal phase. The study of liquid crystal began in 1888 when an Australian botanist named Friedrich Rentger observed that a material known as cholesterol benzoate had 2 distinct melting points. In his experiment, Rentger increased the temperature of a solid sample and watched the crystal change into the hazy liquid. As he increased the temperature further, the material changed again into a clear, transparent liquid. Rentger discovered a new phase of matter, the liquid crystal phase. An isotropy liquid, just like a water, has no orientation order. Substance has aren't as order as solid, yet have some degree of alignment, are properly called liquid crystal. Liquid crystal material are unique in their properties and uses. As research into this field continues and as new applications are developed, liquid crystals will play an important role in modern technology. The distinguishing characteristic of the liquid crystalline state is the tendency of the molecules to point along a common axis called the director. In the solid state, molecules are highly ordered and have little translational freedom. The characteristic orientational order of the liquid crystal state is between the traditional solid and liquid phase. It means liquid crystal phase is the middle of solid and liquid phases. Here is the structure of solid, liquid and liquid crystal. Here you clearly saw in this picture the molecules of solid are properly ordered, while in the molecules of liquid are not properly ordered, but the liquid crystal are properly orientation, although they are not positionally ordered. Liquid crystal are substances that flow like viscous liquids, but their molecules lie in a moderately orderly array like those in a crystal. They are example of a mesophases, an intermediate state of matter with the fluidity of a liquid and some of the molecular order of a solid. Liquid crystalline material are finding many applications in the electronic industry because they are responsible to change in temperature and electrical field. The order arrangement of molecules in liquid crystal material is so great that crystalline form does not melt directly to liquid phase at all. That is, solid directly not change into the liquid phase, but first passes through a turbid intermediate stage. Turbid intermediate stage also known as mesomorphic or paracrystalline state, which at a higher temperature changes to a clear isotropic liquid. What do you mean by isotropic liquid? Isotropic liquid is a liquid whose optical, mechanical, electrical and magnetic properties have the same value in every direction. The turbid liquid is found to be doubly refracting and gives interferences pattern in polarized light like an isotropic crystal. An isotropic crystal means crystalline solid which have different values of physical properties in different direction. Cholesterol benzoate having formula C6H5COO C27H45 was discovered in 1888 with this peculiar property. The term liquid crystal, however, is not satisfactory, as the substances have no crystalline properties and they are true liquid possessing surface tension and ability to flow. Various other terms, for example, crystalline liquid, anisotropic liquids and paracrystals have been proposed, but the best is probably mesomorphic state. In Greek, mesomorphic means intermediate form. The temperature at which the solid melts to form turbid liquid is usually called the transition temperature, and the higher temperature at which true isotropic liquid is obtained is called melting point. On cooling, the changes take place in the reverse direction at the same temperature. The substances showing liquid crystal character are highly stable and do not decompose on heating even on high temperature. Thus, besides solids, liquid and gaseous state, the fourth state of matter to be considered is mesomorphic state. Generally, all organic substances having long chain terminating in an active group, for example, ketone, ester, and often with a mildly active group, for example, acetylene, nitrile and nitroso group. A fluid phase in which a liquid crystal flow and will take the shape of its container. It differs from the liquids that there are still some orientational order possessed by the molecule. Here is the structure, here is the molecules of solid, liquid and crystal. When we increase the temperature of solid, it not converted into the liquid, it converted first into liquid crystal, then after when increase the temperature of liquid crystal, it converted into purely liquid form. Here is a schematic representation of molecular packing in first A crystal, B and C. The structure of B and C is the structure of liquid crystal molecules, and C and D is the liquid state that is found in water. Now conclude. A phase that exists between solid and liquid is called liquid crystal, discovered in near 19th century when study a cholesterol derivative. Here is the example of cholesterol mysterate. This is the picture of cholesterol mysterate, and it is solid when it is 71 degree centigrade. When we heat it above 71, it converted into liquid crystal. It become liquid crystal in 71 to 85 degree, and after 85 this cholesterol mysterate is converted into pure liquid phase. Orientational order. Orientational order represent a measure of the tendency of the molecules to align along the director on a long range basis, assuming that direction of a preferred orientation in a liquid crystal is upward direction of a arrow. This direction can be represented by an arrow called the director of liquid crystal. Here is the director of liquid crystal. These are the molecules of liquid crystal, and there is the director of these molecules of liquid crystal. All the molecules having the orientation in the same direction. Order parameter. To quantify just how much order is present in a material, an order parameter OD is defined. Traditionally, the order parameter is given by the formula OD is equal to half 3 cos square theta minus 1, where theta is the angle between the director and the long axis of each molecules. The bracket denotes the average over all the molecules in the sample. In an isotropic liquid, means in just like a water, the average of the cosine terms, this cosine term is 0, and therefore, the order parameter is equal to 0. In liquid, pure liquid, isotropic liquid, the order parameter is equal to 0, but in perfect crystal, the order parameter evaluate to 1. Typical value for the order parameter of a liquid crystal range between 0.3 to 0.9. This is illustrated below for a nematic liquid crystal material. Here is the structure of, here is the graph between temperature and OD. Now come to the SWAM theory of liquid crystal. This theory is proposed by Bose. According to this theory, since mesomorphic behavior is shown by substances having long chains, their free rotation is restricted and they tend to arrange themselves in parallel formations. In this way, a number of groups or SWAMs are obtained. The molecules in any SWAM are parallel to one another, but may not be parallel to those present in another SWAM. Each SWAM consisting of several molecules arranged parallel to one another is taken as a small crystal. Thus, a turbid liquid is viewed as consisting of a series of small crystals distributed at random in the body of the liquid. Each particular SWAM appears as a transparent liquid crystal when viewed under a microscope. Here is a picture of liquid crystal where we clearly saw the structure of SWAMs or groups in a sample. The turbidity of the liquid crystal is simply due to the scattering of light at the boundary between the various SWAMs. These are the boundary and scattering takes place in this boundary. The effect is similar to that observed when a transparent substances like glass is finally powdered. Each piece is transparent, but when huddled together, the mass appears somewhat opaque. As the temperature of liquid crystal is raised, the molecular motion increases and an interchange between the SWAMs occur. The SWAMs become smaller and smaller with raise in temperature, and ultimately at a certain temperature the SWAM becomes smaller than half the wavelength of light. They are then too small to scatter light. The turbidity now disappears. The liquid becomes clear. This temperature is the melting point of the substance. Here is the arrangement of molecules in an isotropic liquids. Here is the arrangement of molecules. These are molecules in isotropic liquid, that is water. The molecules can move here and there easily. Criteria for a molecule being liquid crystalline. First, the molecule must be elongated in shape. Length should be significantly greater than its width. Molecules have some rigidity in its central region. The end of the molecules are somewhat flexible. Now come to differences between solid, liquid crystal and liquids. Differences between solid, liquid crystal and liquids. First difference we are taking, in solid, molecules, atoms or ions are arranged in a regular pattern and are not free to move. That is, translatory and rotatory motion are usually absent, but particles can vibrate about a fixed position in the orderly crystalline arrangement. And in liquid crystal, since mesomorphism is exhibited by liquid form of the substances having long chains, the free rotation of molecule is restricted and they tend to arrange themselves parallel to each other, forming a number of groups or SWAMs with definite orientation. Molecules now have freedom of movement in the direction of the length of molecules remaining parallel to each other. While in liquids, molecules are not as rigidly fixed as the solid. They have some freedom of motion and move in a random fashion. Second differences between solid, liquid crystal and liquids. First, in solid, solid have a definite shape and definite volume. Crystalline solid except cubic crystal are anisotropic, we have discussed earlier, that is their physical properties like optical, magnetic properties etc. vary in magnitude according to the direction of crystal. These show double diffraction and related phenomena. In liquid crystal are turbid liquids obtained by melting solid at transition point and have no definite shape but a definite volume. Turbid liquids are found to be doubly refracting and gives interference patterns in polarized light like anisotropic crystal. Except this property of crystal, they are true liquid in all respects. While in liquids, a liquid has no definite shape but a definite volume. Most liquids are isotropic, that is, their physical properties have been same value in every direction. Now, come to the classification of liquid crystal. How can we classify the liquid crystal? Liquid crystal can be classified into two groups: thermotropic liquid crystal and lyotropic liquid crystal. Thermotropic liquid crystal further divided into three groups: nematic liquid crystal, smectic liquid crystal and cholesterolic liquid crystal. Now, come to thermotropic liquid crystal. Liquid crystal are said to be thermotropic if their liquid crystalline properties depend on the temperature. Liquid crystal phases transitions result from temperature changes. Thermotropic liquid crystal can be classified into three types: first nematic, second smectic and cholesterolic liquid crystal. Now, come to first nematic liquid crystal. Nematic liquid crystal, one of the most common liquid crystal phase is the nematic, where the molecules mesogens have no positional order, but they have long range orientational order. In Greek, nematic means thread, and hence the thread like structure of the nematic crystal. Here is the structure of nematic crystal molecules. Nematic have fluidity similar to that of ordinary liquids, but they can be easily aligned by an external magnetic or electric field. An aligned nematic has the optical properties of a uniaxial crystal, and this make them extremely useful in LCD, that is liquid crystal display. Here is the structure of nematic crystals and isotropic liquids. These two figures of nematic liquid crystal and this is the isotropic liquid. The word semestic is derived from the Greek word for soap. This is explained by the fact that the thick slippery substance often found at the bottom of a soap dish is actually a type of smectic liquid crystal. In the case of smectic liquid crystal, the mesogens have both positional order and orientational order. The smectic phase, which are found at lower temperatures than the nematic, form well defined layers that can slide over one another like in a soap. Here is the structure of smectic A and smectic C. Now, smectic liquid crystal do not flow as normal liquids. They have limited mobility and flow in layers as different planes of sheets are gliding over one another. The distribution of velocity in different layers is different from that found in true liquids. X-ray diffraction pattern supports that smectic liquids is one directional only. Possible thermal transition between different phases. Here is the structure of some phases can be transformed in one form to another. Here crystalline solid is changed into the smectic liquid crystal, smectic liquid crystal change into the nematic liquid crystal, nematic crystal may be changed into isotropic liquid and isotropic liquids can change into crystalline solid and vice versa. Third one, cholesterolic liquid crystal, that is chiral nematic phase. Certain optical active compounds show many characteristics of nematic behavior, but at the same time display strong color effect in polarized light, indicating layer structure like smectic liquid crystal. Such liquid crystal having nematic and some smectic character are called cholesterolic liquid crystal. Molecules with intermolecular forces that favor alignment between molecules at a slight angle to one another, the director is not fixed in space as in nematic phase, it rotates throughout the sample. A cholesteric liquid crystal consists of a stack of sheets or dishes on the top of one another, which are tilted slightly so they form a helix. Cholesterol benzoate, whose transition temperature is 146 degree centigrade and melting point is 178.5 degree centigrade. So, cholesterolic types of mesomorphism. Here is the structure of chiral nematic phase or cholesterolic phase. Here is the structure of schematic representation of melting of crystalline cholesterol benzoate. Here is the structure of cholesterol benzoate. It is solid when it is below 145 degree centigrade. When we increase the temperature up to 145.5 degree centigrade, it converted into the liquid crystal phase. Now, second, lyotrophic liquid crystal. Lyotrophic liquid crystal which are prepared by mixing two or more substances of which one is a polar molecules are known as lyotrophic liquid crystal. For example, soap in water is the example of lyotrophic liquid crystal. When two different substances are mixed together, the mixture can exhibit different phases not only as the temperature is changed, but also as the concentration of one component of the mixture is varied. Example, a molecule that has N groups with different properties. One end is hydrophobic and second portion is hydrophilic. Here is the structure of a micelles. One portion is hydrophilic and another is hydrophobic. Head portion is hydrophobic and tail portion is hydrophilic portion. Now, come to the application of liquid crystal. Liquid crystal technology has a major effect on many areas of science and engineering as well as device technology. Liquid crystal consume very little electric power, hence they find use in many electronic devices. Some of the application: liquid crystal display. The most common application of liquid crystal technology is liquid crystal display, that is LCDs. This field has grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry and many significant scientific and engineering discoveries have been made. Liquid crystal find wide use in liquid crystal display, which rely on the optical properties of certain liquid crystalline molecule in the presence of or absence of a electric field. Liquid crystal thermometer is another example of liquid crystal is liquid crystal thermometer. As demonstrated earlier, chiral nematic or cholesterolic liquid crystal reflect light with a wavelength equal to the pitch. Because the pitch is dependent upon temperature, the color reflected also is dependent upon temperature. Liquid crystal may be possible to accurately gauge temperature just by looking at the color of the thermometer. By mixing different compounds, a device for particular any temperature range can be built. Liquid crystal temperature sensor can also be used to find bad connection on a circuit board by detecting the characteristic higher temperature. Third application is a major application of optical imaging. An application of liquid crystal that is only now being explored is optical imaging and recording. In this technology, the liquid crystal cell is placed between two layers of photoconductor. Light is applied to the photoconductor which increase the material conductivity. This causes an electric field to develop in the liquid crystal corresponding to the intensity of the light. The electric pattern can be transmitted by an electrode which enable the image to be recorded. This technology is still being developed and is one of the most promising area of liquid crystal research. Some of the other application of liquid crystal have a multitude of other uses. They are used for non-destructive mechanical testing of material under stress. This technique is also used for the visualization of radio frequency waves in waveguides. They are used in medical application. Low molar mass LLM liquid crystal have application including erasable optical discs, full color electronic slides for computer aided drawing CAD, and light modulator for color electronic imaging. In new properties and types of liquid crystal are investigated and researched. These materials are sure to gain increasing importance in industrial and scientific applications. Here is some example of liquid crystal in naturally occurring liquid crystal in our body. There is some parts are made of liquid crystal just like liver, pancreas, etc. Here is the structure of protein which is made of liquid crystal. Some of the insects are also made up of liquid crystals. These are the example of man-made liquid crystal. Here is the mobile which we use is also made of liquid crystal, LCD, projector, waterproof jackets, luminescent oils and goggles, etc. are the example of liquid crystals. Now come to thermography. The phase changes that occur on heating a solid showing mesomorphic behavior can be represented in the form of a temperature time graph is known as thermography. Cholesteric liquid crystal are used in thermography for measuring surface temperature and to indicate temperature variation. This is because when the temperature of a cholesteric liquid crystal is changed over a particular range, they exhibit color changes over the entire color scale from red to violet. The change is reversible and the colors occur in reverse sequence as the temperature comes down. Some of the specific use of thermographic are in the thermography of human skin, in the thermal mapping of solid state electronic devices, for surface thermography in aerodynamic testing to determine the efficiency of heat exchanger, in the testing of radiation in those devices which convert radiation energy into the heat energy. Liquid crystal method of thermography has the advantage. What advantage? Number 1, cost is low, complex and costly equipments are not required, and ease in thermal mapping. Now come the last topic of this session, 7 segment cell. LCD design can vary depending on the desired application. Display format, resolution, response time and contrast are all features that can vary depending on the desired use. On a liquid crystal display or LCD, information is generally displayed in a segment or pixels. Segments are long static regions that can be arranged into different shapes. The most common segment configuration is the 7 segment display. The 7 segments are arranged in a rectangle of 2 vertical segments on each side and 1 horizontal segment on the top, 1 and bottom and 1 in the middle bisecting the rectangle horizontally. Individually on or off, these can be combined to produce representation of any digit 0 to 9. This format is commonly used in calculators, watches and other simple numerical displays. A 7 segment display consists of 7 elements that are made of either LCD, liquid crystal or LED, light emitting diodes. Because LCD required much less power than LED, LEDs are replaced by LCD in many digital displays. To display any number, a combination of 7 segment cell is used. There are 2 important types of 7 segment LCD display. In a common cathode display, the cathodes of all the LCDs are joined together and the individual segments are illuminated by high voltage. In a common anode display, the anodes of all LCDs are joined together and the individual segments are illuminated by connecting to a low voltage. Now response time. Response time is the measure of how long it takes a segment to turn from white to black, rise time, that is rise time, and then back again, that is fall time. Rise and fall times are controlled by the viscosity of the liquid crystal, the amplitude of the driving voltage and the thickness of the liquid crystal cell. Typical response time for today's LCD monitor and television ranges from 4 microsecond to 30 microsecond. So, viewer, it is all about the liquid state. In this lecture, we have discussed new phase of matter, that is liquid crystal phase. We have also discussed their application, structure of liquid crystal, thermography, 7 segment cell. Okay, viewer, we have completed the liquid state. Thank you.